Halloween guys, welcome back to this channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for support us. Best Homeowners Insurance Companies of 2022. A mortgage holder's insurance contract can resemble a monetary familiar object for what might be the single biggest acquisition of an individual's life. The right strategy ought to assist with shielding you from the expenses of modifying after a fire, supplanting taken things, fixing your home from storm harm, or from risk claims assuming that somebody is harmed on your property. With our rating of the best homeowners insurance companies of 2022, we need to give you the information you really want to observe the best property holders insurance agency to address your issues. In our organization surveys and home insurance guides, we talk about an assortment of data from accessibility, rates, contracts, and extra inclusion to the application cycle, and how to document a case. Compare the best home insurance companies of 2022. 1. Lemonade with 4,7.2. USAA with 4,3.3. America with 4,2.4. Allstate with 3,8.5. State Farm with 3,8. Best home insurance companies in detail. Lemonade. Lemonade hangs out in our rating for being on the whole on the web. You can join, document claims, make changes to your approach, and drop your protection either through its portable application or its site. This can be a significant potential gain for the people who would prefer to record a case on the web and not need to address a specialist. Further, assuming there is a home-related crisis that leaves you without web access, there is as yet a telephone number you can call. Lemonade gives the choice of additional inclusion without a deductible for high-esteem individual possessions like adornments, camera hardware, and melodic gear. It likewise highly esteems providing for noble cause through its Give Back program. On the drawback, Lemonade isn't accessible in however many states as different organizations in our rating. USAA. USAA hangs out in our rating for its administrations and arrangements offered basically to individuals from the military, veterans, and their close relatives. USAA is likewise the main organization in our rating to remember fraud assurance for its standard property holders insurance contract, while most different organizations in our rating offer it as an extra. Not at all like numerous contenders, USAA offers mortgage holders protection in each state. Also, assuming you're hoping to put resources into a home security framework, USAA has joined forces with ADT to offer limits for proprietors of its mortgage holder insurance contracts. Amica. Amica offers rates cutthroat with different organizations in our rating, likewise making our cheapest homeowners insurance companies of 2022 rating, and gives a lot of choices to extra mortgage holders protection inclusion including additional items for your PC, home business, and wholesale fraud. Amica offers an insurance contract that delivers profits, meaning you get a level of your yearly charges got back to you. Amica additionally offers a kind of across-the-board approach called Amica Platinum Choice that packages various additional items like its lengthy inclusion for significant things and water reinforcement / sump siphon flood choices, into one mortgage holder's insurance contract. Allstate gives a wide assortment of inclusion choices to balance its standard mortgage holder's insurance contract. These choices incorporate generally normal ones like planned individual property inclusion for high-esteem evaluated things, yet in addition more uncommon inclusion explicitly equipped towards athletic gear, instruments, and your yard and nursery. Allstate will likewise match you with a neighborhood specialist when you become a client to more readily fit your inclusion to address your issues. While Allstate is one of the more costly mortgage holders insurance agency in our rating, it gives various limits that might bring the expensive charges down for you. State Farm. State Farm is one of only a handful of exceptional organizations in our rating that offers mortgage holders insurance contracts in each of the 50 states. Its standard approach is serious with different organizations in our rating. It additionally offers an assortment of more uncommon limits, for example, for introducing an effect-safe rooftop. Accessible strategy choices incorporate inclusion for fraud and sewer reinforcements. State Farm has a broad organization of 20,000 protection specialists in the U.S. On the off chance that you're additional open to buying protection from a neighborhood specialist, you ought to have the option to find one near you. That's the Best Home Insurance Companies in Detail videos Part 1. For more information, let's see in the Part 2. See you and thank you.